Welcome to English Grammar and Writing Skills course of EduPom EdTech. You are watching the video with Manisha Vedi and the topic for the video is parts of speech. So today we are going to talk about parts of speech. Okay? Parts of speech. Now what are parts of speech? Parts of speech are basically an integral part of English language, okay? And it basically refers to classification of different words, okay? It basically refers to classification of different words. Classification of different words based on their roles and functions. Okay, so parts of speech is an integral part of English language, and it basically refers to the classification of different words based on their roles and functions. Got it? Now there are 8 parts of speech. There are eight parts of speech in English language. There are 8 parts of speech in English language. Now what are those 8 parts? The 8 parts are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, conjunction and intersection. Okay. Now these are basically the 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and intersection. Okay. Now we are going to read about each parts of speech one by one. We are going to read about their types, their uses, their roles and different questions related to them. Okay. So I hope for the next time if anyone asks you that what are parts of speech, then you will say that parts of speech are basically an integral part of English language, and in English language we have 8 parts of speech. These refers to the classification of different words based on their roles and the functions. And noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and intersection are those 8 parts of speech. So in the next video we are going to talk about noun.